first question to all of you: where are you living? So, the most important place that we actually live in is inside our body. Are we taking enough care of the place where we are always living? Are we cleaning it properly? Are we nourishing it properly?
Hi everyone, I am Nidhi Jagatia and I am here to completely help you transform your own health. And let's face it, your real wealth is your health. Every day we make choices that either contribute to our health or takes that away from us. What are you doing about it? In the coming episodes, I am going to talk about few things that you must immediately add and inculcate in your lifestyle and few nasties that you should remove as soon as possible. This information is designed to empower you to make the best choices for your own radiant health. Remember, you are the creator of your own reality. I will recommend you to completely commit to yourself and the tips and the following instructions that I'm going to share in the coming episodes, and you will experience transformational changes in your health. Your body is very smart. It is actually telling us symptoms and signals when there is something wrong happening inside it. What do we do about these symptoms? For example, if we have nausea, cold, headaches, diarrhea, what are we actually doing about these things? Usually what we do, we actually try to mask this symptom by taking a pill or ignoring it or just not taking enough care of why is this happening. What we should be actually doing, we should be actually working on the root cause of why is this happening to us. And the major solution to actually heal and completely support your body is to work on the root cause so that you are not making anything complex out of those symptoms. It is a very simple thing. Each symptom that your body is giving has a definition. It is in your hands to understand the definition and working and eliminating the cause of that symptom so that it doesn't become complex disease in the coming future. Over the time, I have realized that true health lies in everyday activities that we do. It is not something which is a quick fix. You cannot get healthy by eating something which is coming in bottles or coming in form of solutions that promises you good health. Every day we make choices. Every day we eat certain kind of foods. That is the real key of true health. Let's say, for example, if you have headache, the major causes of you having a headache could be less consumption of water, mental stress, overworking, not having enough sleep, or something else. So when we think like that, when we actually work on the root cause and try to amend it properly, we are actually helping our body survive properly, heal properly, and not create anything complex. This is what we should be actually doing. I have designed a system called Switch, which is you are switching to support your body in terms of completely healing it, nourishing it properly. This method is called S2S, where you are switching to support your own health. You are switching to better alternates. You are switching from junk food to healthy fresh foods. Let's say if you have a habit of drinking cold drinks, instead of drinking cold drinks, I would suggest you to go for fresh juices. Instead of having candies and sugar loaded toffees, I would suggest you to have dates and other sweet fruits that will actually satisfy your need of eating something sweet. If you have a lifestyle where you're working on electronic gadgets all the time, you have to switch and get out and get some fresh air too. The major cause of people suffering from depression, anxiety, and other mental disorders is due to lack of connection and alignment with the nature. We have a very artificial lifestyle these days. It is a basic thing to understand that we are composed of 5 elements, and those 5 elements are only available in the nature. And when you go back and align yourself completely to nature, you actually feed your body. It is not just the solid food that our body needs. The nature which provides us so many other things is also a kind of energy and food that we need. I am so sure about all of this because when I was suffering from thyroid, PCOD and bad hair all, I tried almost everything and nothing worked wonders but going back to the nature, aligning myself back to the nature, having a lifestyle which was very simple yet super powerful. That is why when I mention if I can do it, anybody can do it. And I'm super happy to hold your hands and follow on this path of natural living and healing. On this channel, we are going to learn a lot of these things and inculcate small habits in our day-to-day activities to completely empower our body. It is all about simplicity of living. It is all about going back to the roots. Health is a holistic approach. When it comes to health, your mental health, your emotional health, your physical health, and the food that you're putting inside your mouth, everything matters. The thought that you're feeding your brain is also a food for your body. So keeping in mind all of these things, I have finally come up with so many solutions and quick ideas that can actually completely help you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you get notifications when we post anything new. Thank you.